it's another G of inverse of G, so just be 1. There's no F inverse of 1.
It's so weird now when I see people's faces. Even though I've seen y'all's faces before. It's like when I see somebody's
You're seeing our faces.
Yeah.
That is true. It was last year. I guess it's
Alright, here we go. So, F inverse of 2. So I look over here. F inverse of 2 is 1. So it's G inverse of 1. So I look at that, and that should be negative 2. Woo. Okay, good. I like to hear woos.
Yeah.
Now, F inverse of G inverse of 1, not prime. Be careful of that, because we're about to throw primes in.
Oh, no.
No, we are. I mean, right now we're just doing like algebra 2.
Oh, wait. We're doing
That's fine.
When did algebra become so easy?
Right.
G inverse of 1 is negative 2, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we do G of negative 2, which is 1.
Math.
And F inverse of 1, well, we don't have it over here. It's not given to us, so that's why it's not defined. It's undefined.
Cool.
Cuckoo.
For Cocoa Puff.
When was the last time you had Cocoa Puffs?
Yesterday.
Really?
I don't eat cereal in the morning.
I've never had
Okay.
Cocoa Puff.
So now we're going to
I found like
find, Faith, the derivative
No,
of an inverse.
it's the same thing. You just find the
She's
inverse.
tricking us. We thought
So
that was gonna be
notice
easy.
here we have that rule that we just discovered because y'all have forgotten. But yeah, F of F inverse of X is X.
So then
Do you agree with that statement? No.
So the derivative is 1.
Do you
Yes.
agree with that statement right there?
Yes.
Okay.
And the derivative
Now we're going to differentiate, which just means take the derivative of
No.
both sides.
Then we're going to do that
Okay.
quadratic chain rule.
Chain rule, yes.
I'm bad at chain rules.
So we take the derivative
The whole
of the whole thing on the left.
One
So it's
time.
F prime of F inverse of X times the derivative of what's inside.
F prime of.
Yeah, so it's F inverse of X prime
Crazy.
equals derivative of X.
1.
Now, we want to solve for the derivative of the inverse. So I'm going to divide
Over F.
by this.
Yes.
So, F inverse of X, the derivative, is equal to 1
Yes.
over F prime of F inverse of X.
When you said the derivative, it's like, what's the derivative place? The movie. I don't like this movie.
I don't either.
Because now you're making me do the worst thing. No, it's like the worst thing ever.
What also sucks is that the commas look like ones.
And yeah,
Oh, Lord.
that's like dash 1.
Like the prime thing. A
Yeah, the
comma.
apostrophe. Thank you, Steven.
It's
Shut
just
up.
apostrophe.
The apostrophe looks like one.
Yeah. comma.
Yeah, the air.
Okay. So it gives you F of X on the next one and F prime of negative 2. And we want to find the value of F inverse of negative 4 prime.
Okay.
So the derivative of that.
So that'd be F inverse of negative 4. Prime is
Prime
equal to 1
equals
over 3.
F inverse,
She wants us
F
to know.
prime.
not inverse, F prime,
Which is
just kidding,
3.
of F inverse of 4,
Something else to look out for.
negative 4.
We have F inverse of negative 2. Not negative 4.
But we can figure it out. So we know the equation for F of X. F of X is equal to
3.
3x plus 2.
I'm glad you know.
And we want to know the inverse. So if I take 3x plus 2 and I set it equal to negative 4, I'll be able to flip-flop my x and my y and get the inverse.
How do you do that?
Huh?
There's no y.
Oh no, that'd be negative 4.
This is my y. Yeah.
So we
That's
switch
okay.
3 and 4.
Not yet. I'm just going to solve for x right now. Okay, hang on. Follow me, and then if we're confused at the end, we'll fix it. So x is negative 2. So that's the point, negative 2, negative 4, right?
Yeah.
So f inverse of negative 4
It's
is negative 2.
Oh. Okay.
You smell what I'm cooking?
Yes.
Sure.
Is it lit?
No.
Is it, what was the other word?
Savage.
Savage?
Yes.
Yes, it's savage.
It is indeed savage.
Yes, I always wanted to be savage. Thank you. So 1 over f prime of f inverse of negative 4, which is negative 2. And we have that, which is right here. F prime of negative 2 is 3.
Why can't I do that?
So your answer is 1/3.
See, you're right. Kind of.
You're right. Kind of.
I knew f prime was 3.
Since she just said 3, she didn't have the math behind it.
Well, no, because I found f prime from f of x, and so I was plugging it up. I would have got negative 1/6. So there's that. I would have got the wrong answer.
But, I mean, we just started it. So, I mean,
Yeah.
we're still learning. It's okay.
Table.
Okay, so we have a table.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to start by finding the derivative of f inverse of 3. So, f inverse of 3, the derivative,
It does sound like a movie.
is 1 over f prime.
Can we like go see that movie?
No, it's probably not going to be a very good movie.
It's a great movie.
It'll just be Miss King teaching.
Yeah. That needs to be one of the
Just,
lesson
what do you mean
names.
just? I sing, I dance, what more do you want?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Hey, I can do that.
We just have a
Brain
movie
breaks.
day where it's just her teaching.
Brain breaks.
Brain breaks would be nice.
Yeah.
Okay,
You can realize
So-
you're right?
f inverse of negative 3 means, basically, it means the y is 3.
Yeah.
So we got to find the x.
2.
So y is 3, right? So the
One.
x is 1.
Sure.
So f inverse of 3 is 1.
The table.
I just
The
use
table.
the table.
Oh,
Right there.
Okay.
So
I thought
1
you did,
over.
a bunch of math.
Nope, didn't do a bunch of math on this one. I just used the table. Of
We love tables. We stand.
Is it 1?
f inverse of 1 is how much?
3.
Here's f inverse.
Wait, is it?
Here's 1.
2.
Thank you.
I said 2 earlier.
Well, I didn't hear you.
No one did.
It was the wrong time then.
Oh, I said 2 12 years ago.
It's my first word.
She was preparing for calculus. First word was what?
Ball.
Ball?
I didn't know what my first word was.
My son's first word was mama, of course. Because I was like, mama, mama, mama.
That's every parent ever. It's a battle of who can get the word out.
And I was with him all the time. So,
I had this toy ball.
so you wanted the ball. Makes
I
sense.
just remember
My
my
mom
slip
didn't
of the
believe
lunch.
in baby talk. So she really just talk like a normal person.
Yeah.
And I don't know, I guess I talked faster than most people. I don't know.
That's good.
I was 2 and I was on the phone with my grandma. My mom has a video of it.
Really.
I've heard that too.
But
Yeah.
maybe that's why. I
And
talk
girls
really fast.
speak quicker than boys do.
The The first time I remember my brother speaking,
She's
it
being
was shut up,
sexist.
Ashley.
That's a little.
No, I'm
Since
not.
you,
I have a
Daniel.
son, so I totally get it. My son did not speak that fast.
The first time I remember my brother speaking.
Oh, okay. Maybe y'all were just like
I was
special.
reading it for.
I can believe that.
I went to a reading camp, so I can't relate.
Okay, so here we go. Find the value of g inverse of -2, the derivative.
The first time I remember my brother speaking, it was shut up, Ashley. He was like 3.
That
That's so relatable.
is so funny.
But like I don't remember him speaking before that. So there's that. I don't think he did.
He's like a parrot. He was just hearing things and he just kept repeating it.
But like he was 3, I was like 6. Right? Where was I? We're like 3.5 years old.
Okay. So I'm gonna let y'all do this.
No.
Yes.
I don't remember. It's not
Look
that
at the
hard,
last one.
Ashley.
If you would quit talking.
I haven't finished my
I actually love it when y'all talk.
I haven't finished my
It's
crossword.
not over me.
Ooh.
I will talk with you. You know.
I know this. You're not telling me anything I don't know.
This is the only class I like talking mostly, but
No.
I don't talk as much in the other classes that I do.
This is normal.
Because I don't really talk in fours.
Are you working?
I'm looking at it.
I'm looking at it too, and I don't understand what's happening. I think I've already screwed up.
Think about the last problem.
I
From here,
looked at the table.
we went to here,
Now remember.
and then we put that here.
So I know.
Well, I'm
why-
there.
Don't say it. Just do it.
I'm there, and I got a number that's not on the table.
Oh.
Then G.
Shouldn't happen.
Yeah.
This one works.
Cool.